Hello, and welcome to the Survival Guide. Today's topic we'll be exploring is the nervous system. Divisions of the nervous system include the following: the peripheral nervous system and the central nervous system. We'll be exploring its branches later on. Cells of the nervous system. A neuron is a specialized cell which allows the transmittance of electrochemical impulses, which are converted into chemical signals. It consists of the following: a cell body, dendrites, axon hillock, axon, myelin sheath, and nerve terminals. Other cells in the nervous system include astrocytes, epidermal cells, microglia, oligodendrocytes, and Schwann cells. Here, of the picture of the neuron, here we see the cell body. The branches coming off the cell body are known as dendrites. And here this long tubular structure is known as the axon. Between the cell body and the axon, we have an area called the axon hillock. Around the axon are little structures known as myelin sheath. And at the end of the axon, we have branches coming off which are known as nerve terminals. Going back to the divisions of the nervous system, we'll be starting off with the central nervous system. The central nervous system is comprised of the brain and the spinal cord. The brain contains two types of matter, the gray and the white matter. The white matter can actually help propagate electrochemical signals in a faster manner. So white matter is actually myelinated axons, or myelinated neurons, while gray matter is non-myelinated neurons. The spinal cord is the second part of the central nervous system. It has four divisions: the cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral. It inputs sensory information from the spinal cord. The cord is protected by a vertebral column, which allows the propulsion of signal between vertebrae. Now we'll be talking about the peripheral nervous system, which is the second branch of the nervous system. The peripheral nervous system contains nerve tissue and fibers that direct away from the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system contains the autonomic nervous system, which divides into the parasympathetic and the sympathetic nervous system. The somatic nervous system regulates voluntary movements, such as appendage movements. So the somatic nervous system also consists of sensory and motor neurons. The autonomic nervous system. This one's easy to remember because of the name. Autonomic sounds really similar to automatic. So this should give you a hint of what it's about. This is the division of the nervous system that regulates involuntary actions. Automatic, such as heartbeat, respiration, and digestion. It is associated with glands and organs. It can be divided into two different systems, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nervous system. We're going to be comparing between the parasympathetic nervous system versus the sympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system is associated with rest and digest. It acts to conserve energy. In some of the functions, it can allow constriction of pupils, slow the heart rate, and allow digestion to occur. Sympathetic nervous system is involved in the fight or flight response, and it allows quick response to stress triggers. What can happen during this time is we can increase the heart rate and inhibit digestion and dilate pupils. In summary, today we reviewed the basic cellular anatomy of neurons. We also reviewed the divisions of the central nervous system, including the central nervous system, the peripheral nervous system, and its associated branches. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you learned a lot from it. Thanks, and have a great day.